Okay, so there's a bit of this wing. It's actually a separate panel, but it comes around under the apron at the front here. I don't know why I keep calling this the apron, because that's the scuttle panel, but it comes around over here underneath, and then you get a bit of plastic over it and a bumper below it. It's very rusty on this side, so in this episode I'd replace it. The next thing I want to do, this is the passenger wing, and this bit comes across along the front of the car here, and it gets covered in plastic that's not really seen, but this is in a dreadful state. So what I'm planning to do, I've got this piece of metal at the back. I'm going to create a template for that so that it would fit on here, and I'll cut it off. And then for this bit here, the metal this way is rusty, but I think probably okay, so I'm going to just weld a piece across the back of it, and then I'll cut out the shapes that it has in there, so it's, you know, it's kind of it's curved like that type things in there. So we're going to and I think that's solid behind it. Yes, it is. So on this one, on the other side anyway, it is. So it has these shapes, but this is a solid piece behind it. I wonder why they bother with the shape then. Anyway, that's what we're going to do next. Oh no! Started raining. I've got to get the stag covered up. This is going to take me a bit longer than I meant. This has just popped out. Right, so I'm going to put everything else away and get this sorted first. Oh, glad to get that sorted. Right, so we'll get back on with creating a patch for this now. The bit I'm thinking about is just here, this edge here comes in here, and so it could fail on the bumper bracket if it's too big, but I think we'll go with it as is because it's easier to trim down if it's too big than the other way around. So that needs painting, but what we're going to do is we're going to take this piece off and then look at a piece for the back. There are days when you need to stop what you're doing. This might be one of them. I tend not to do the sensible thing. So I've just fixed it back up. I haven't actually fixed it, I've just laid it back up there. I really ought to fix it properly, but I'd rather get on with what I'm doing. So I've bent over the one side. Right, I want to have it fit in the right plane, so I'm going to put the wing on the car and do some tack welds with it on the car. Okay, so you can see this is the plastic that goes over here, like that. And it comes along here. Alright, so that fits in okay. And here, these are all filled in. So I don't think I'm gonna, unless someone tells me otherwise, I'm not gonna bother to put holes on the back of this. I'm just gonna leave it solid. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paint that, certainly on the inside, and I'm gonna paint this bit, which is going on here, like that. So we'll just paint the bits that are gonna get welded through, and you know, going to be back to back, and then we'll weld it together. And there we have it fixed. So I still need to do kind of a bit that comes from this down, but the bit on the wing is looking okay. And I got those spot welds. I mean, remember how much trouble I used to have with those? This new machine is marvellous for me.